Have you ever wondered how robots think? It's quite a marvel to behold. You see, they have something extraordinary called artificial intelligence, or AI for short. This is like their very own brain, helping them do all sorts of things. It's AI that lets robots play chess, recognize faces, and so much more. It's like they're thinking, but in a robotic way. So in essence, robots think using a special kind of brain called artificial intelligence. But what exactly is this artificial intelligence, or AI, as we often call it? Well, let's think about it in a fun way. Picture your brain. It's like a super sponge, right? Soaking up information from everywhere around you, learning new things and using that knowledge to make decisions. That's pretty cool, isn't it? Now imagine if we could create a brain for our robot friends. That's what artificial intelligence is all about. It's like giving a brain to a robot, but not just any brain, a super smart one that can learn from experience just like us humans do. Let's say you're learning to ride a bike. The first time you hop on, you might wobble a bit, maybe even fall, but you get up, dust off, and try again. Each time you do, your brain is learning, adjusting, figuring out how to keep you balanced and moving forward. That's what we call learning from experience. AI does the same thing. It learns from the information it's given and from its experiences, and then uses that learning to make decisions. For instance, if we're talking about a robot vacuum cleaner, AI helps it learn the layout of your house so it knows where to clean and where not to wander off. So AI is like a super smart brain for robots that helps them learn and make decisions. It's like having a brainy best friend, always ready to help out and learn new things. Now, you might be wondering, what kind of things can AI do? Well, let's take a journey into the world of artificial intelligence and see how it's shaping our lives. Imagine you're playing your favorite video game. Ever wondered how the characters seem so smart, always ready to challenge you at every turn? That's AI at work. It's used in video games to make the characters more intelligent, to adapt to your gameplay, and to provide you with a thrilling experience each time you play. But it's not just fun and games. Artificial intelligence is also hard at work in places you might not expect. Picture this, a car that can drive itself. Sounds like something out of a science fiction movie, right? But it's real, and it's happening now. Self-driving cars use AI to navigate the roads, understand traffic rules, and make decisions just like a human driver would, but without getting tired or distracted. And it doesn't stop there. AI is used in medical fields to help doctors diagnose diseases, in agriculture to help farmers grow healthier crops, and even in space exploration to help us understand the universe better. So AI isn't just about robots and machines. It's about creating intelligent systems that can learn, adapt, and make decisions, making our lives more interesting, safer, and easier. From playing games to driving cars, AI is everywhere, making our lives more exciting and easier. With all these cool things AI can do now, just imagine what it could do in the future. The future of artificial intelligence, or AI, is as vast as the universe itself, filled with possibilities that we can only begin to imagine. And it's not just about making our lives easier or more comfortable, it's about exploring new frontiers, solving complex problems, and expanding the boundaries of what we know. Just think about space. The mysteries of the cosmos are vast and many, but with AI we might be able to explore far-off galaxies, discover new planets, and maybe even find life beyond Earth. Isn't that thrilling? And what about health? Diseases that we struggle with today could be a thing of the past. AI could help doctors diagnose illnesses more accurately and quickly, and it could even help scientists discover new treatments and cures. Imagine a world where no one gets sick, but it doesn't stop there. AI could also help us uncover the secrets of the most complex object in the known universe, our own brains. Understanding how our brains work could lead to breakthroughs in learning, memory, and mental health. And remember, AI is not just for scientists or programmers, it's for everyone. You could be the one to use AI to make a new discovery, solve a big problem, or create something amazing. The future with AI looks brighter and more exciting than ever, don't you think? Just imagine what you could do with AI when you grow up.